My current research topic can be applied to the space domain in a few ways. Let me elaborate by giving examples and then go into the technique. First, think of a space probe which has gone to faraway planets like Uranus or Neptune. It wants to send information back to the Earth. So its components, specifically its radio transmitter and even the receiver for that matter, should be able to consume ultra low power. So if we have actually ultra low power transceivers in space probes, the available energy resources that the space probe has, which are obtained from solar or from some chemical energy, can be utilized for other space components in a beautiful way. So definitely ultra low power will achieve transceiver efficiency as well as better resource utilization of energy in the space probe. Secondly, let us imagine that the transmitter of that space probe wants to send some information of Uranus's moons back to the Earth, images for example, or videos. How would we do it? You can have to pinpoint the Earth's location. You can do that by some kind of image processing or tracking technique. After you have got that, you can send information in a very highly directive beam back to the Earth. Techniques for these can be, for example, from phased arrays or from baseband beamforming. So by using a highly directive antenna with a beam width of less than 3 degrees, you can send information in a pencil-like, a laser-like beam from the faraway interplanetary space probe back to the Earth. Secondly, the bits you send have to be received by the ground station very reliably. For that, you need two things. You need efficient channel coding techniques and you need very efficient baseband modulation techniques. Now, the channel here is very difficult to characterize. For example, channels in Wi-Fi or cellular have been very nicely characterized by field measurements because you have the equipment. You can deploy them, you can characterize your multipath and be able to design efficient channel coding techniques. However, for space, it is not possible to do field measurements. So therefore, from these points of view, my current research can definitely have applications in space missions. Let me come to another very interesting topic. If you look at the Mars Curiosity rover, it has landed on the Mars and it is taking various measurements, it is sending images and videos back to the Earth. What if we can actually deploy a sensor network consuming ultra low power modes back to the Earth? How will that operate? Let the Mars rover be a few kilometers away. The sensor network, wherever it has been deployed, will collect information about Mars, which can change with time, over days or weeks, and the coordinator of that sensor network can actually send the information to the Mars rover, which can in turn relate back to the Earth. So there are these 4 applications of my current research in the space domain. Thank you.